So this is my YouTube video. I can promote this video purpose of increase my YouTube likes and views. Likes the thing, but just what is that here? This for likes. Second will be I'm increase for views. First of all, I can post any video on Facebook. Just copy the YouTube URL. We select option called is FB linker. For the purpose of you can change your YouTube video title also using with the FB linker. Now you can log in with your FB linker. First enter your YouTube URL. Copy your YouTube title. Click for submit. Share to your Facebook page. Where YouTube to I'm sharing with the Facebook page for increasing my YouTube video views. Now click page. Select your particular page. What are using with the hashtag. Now click for post to Facebook. Here you can checking will be where the company will ask you for post to Facebook. Done my page. Now just open your page, refresh it. So I'm selecting for one video. I can promote by where using with my Facebook page. That is called paid market. I'm doing the paid market. Just scroll up. Done my video. See here. The option call is push post. Where desktop news feed, mobile news feed. Here also two advantages. What's called? They promote your page likes. Second will be promoted by videos. See here. Your ad may be not run. Why? Your ad may not be run. The content will be less than 20% text content. Now see this. More than 20% text content. So clear? So always see here. You can go to the manual request for review. So always select by the which one? Less than 20%. Just hold on here. Just cancel promotion. Okay. Just go to your channel. Setting for email marketing. Copy this one. Select here. Submit. Share. And go to another video for increase my views. Page. Now click for post to Facebook. So my post done by my page. What is that? Boost post. Now they're showing for three field. What is that? Desktop, mobile, and Instagram. Why? Is accepted. Is not more than 20% text content. So clear. If it is anything video promoting time, your thumbnail also very important. Thumbnails are very important. Now here, what option call is? Learn more, shop now, everything. I'm clicking for learn more. It's not a book, no, not for anything. It's all for learn more. This is a video. Now here, audience selection. Click for edit. Age, location, search keywords. Gender, age and location and search keywords. Now here. This is I'm searching for Email marketing. Email service provider. They want email marketing. Okay. Done. Now, how many people? 3 lakhs, 30,000 people will be there. Click for save. Just fix your budget. How much? 1320. I can fix my budget is only for 500. What is the reach? 1500 to 6700. Website promotion and video promotion, which is better? Video promotion. See, 500, how much? 1500 to 6700. They promote my likes, Instagram, mobile news feed, and desktop, along with the video. If you click this one, they're going to where? In my YouTube video. See this. They're working for 1 day. In a website promotion, we can't select the 1 day. We select the minimum 7 days. Here select by only for 1 day. Now click for post now. Now skip the GST, not required right now. Click for OK. Done. This is called, we can promote your video along with the Facebook page likes. There's a 2 advantages. What is that? Promote your face branding, your YouTube branding. Third will be likes. Fourth will be views. Fifth will be subscribers. Now, done. Now see the ad will be approved. Click for close. We will check facebook.com/manage. Now just previous is 2 will be there. Now refresh. Then another will be added here. Going to refresh here. Done. What is that? In review. You can accept within a hour. You started your clicks and promotions along with the video views and likes and subscribers. Is it clear? This is called your Facebook ad created by the video marketing purpose.